He's calling you.
Hashtag single Pringle. Hashtag no need no man. Hashtag my bestie is my Valentine. Time for my double date with Ben and Jerry. Oh, I know what loves me.
Dylan is here? And it's Valentine's Day. We were definitely meant to meet at this bench.
Who does this girl think she is, sitting next to Dylan, who's definitely into me? At least he's holding my hand.
No way. He just started holding my hand. He feels the same way I feel.
Why is he still holding my hand?
Oh, hey, babe.
I saw you at the cinema with a girl. Door open. I don't want your stupid presents.
Wait, you don't understand. That's my sister.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I would never do that to you.
Oh, well, that's great. So, are we still on for bowling?
I didn't get you these. Who's Jake?
I can't believe Eric broke up with you on Valentine's Day. He's such a jerk. I want you to know that I would never, ever leave you. Ever.
Phew.
It's Malcolm. He says, would you be my Valentine? Meet me at the mall by noon. I am so sorry, Summer. I'm so sorry.
Unfollow. Babe, drop a clue about what we're doing today.
Because today is your birthday. Wait, no. It's our anniversary, right?
It's Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Valentine's Day. I knew that. In fact, I got you something really, really special. Here.
Flower delivery. I can't believe I got flowers.
Flowers for me. Jennifer, your flowers. What for me?
I got flowers.
Finally. Stacy. For Stacy. Yeah, for Stacy.
Summer. I got something for Summer.
Yes. Me.
It's a veterinary bill for your cat's ringworm medicine.
Yes. That's me.
Hey, Lucy. What are you reading?
Oh, there's a secret admirer who's been leaving me presents the whole day.
Would you date him if you knew who he was?
Without a doubt, he's like the sweetest guy ever.
I almost chickened out. It's me, Lucy. I'm your secret admirer.
Steven, it's you. You're the one who's been leaving me presents? Oh. I have a boyfriend. I just remembered. Steven, I gotta go. Yeah, I'm almost home. I bet he has the whole house decorated. Or he's taking me to some fancy restaurant. I know he loves me so much. I'll call you back. Let me guess. It's a free Netflix subscription month.
You know me, girl.
Look what Matt got me today.
Cute. But look what Noah got me. And this cute card.
Cute. I actually forgot about this. See? Roses are red, violets are blue. You're the one for me, I'm the one for you. Oh, and this.
Well, my boyfriend gave me this teddy bear. And also, he made me this.
Oh yeah? Well, I got this for my boyfriend. You see, it says Matt.
It says Tan, not Matt. You did it wrong.
But it was Matt in the mirror.
This happens every year. I am sorry, all of our tables are taken.
This happens every year. You forget Valentine's Day and then we're stuck without a table. Next year, I'll sort it.
Next year, I'll sort it.
Hi, I promised my boyfriend that I'll get a table here. Can you help me? Do you have a table free?
Miss, we don't have space anymore. We are full.
Well, how about now?
How about security?
Hi, I haven't seen you in ages. Oh, who is she? Who is she?
I don't know.
I can't believe this. I'm leaving.
Baby, no, please, baby.
I guess this one's free.
That's my boyfriend!